So first of all, we should draw this thing here like this. It's going down and going up. I think everybody knows it. If you don't, I don't know. Line here going up. We made a triangle. Yeah, maybe it's we can draw like this because I want to make it as fast as I can. You can make it a little bit slower. It's gonna be too good, you know. Okay. Second thing, right here we should make two shapes like this, straight lines. A straight line right here. After this, we should draw eye. I will be right here. Here is gonna be have hair. Here too. Right there. Right here we have it too. Here. That's it. Here we should draw the eyes. One eye right here, like this. Second one, distance, same distance as here. And it's gonna be right there. So we have draw eyes. Underline, it's just one straight line. Here is two. Eyes, eyes, baby. Okay. We have done it. We will make him a little bit ugly. Okay, here have to draw the nose line, and here have to draw his some identifying things. So right now we're making coat right here and make a little up here. Here we should do something like this. Here is little details. So and we have to draw some things to make it details and other things. So I think we already have done this work. Just let me make details. I need 5 minutes to draw it actually, so it's bad. I want to make it 2 minutes. I cannot do it in 2. It's bad. So this straight line was bad thing. We don't draw it. Don't draw it really. That was a mistake. So we have done with this art. I will just add some details. So I think you might draw this thing.